Hello and welcome to the special segment called as MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. I'm your host Nikki Mirchandani, and in this segment, we bring to you fundamentally strong investment stock ideas. Today's pick is Mannapuram Finance, a Kerala-based non-banking financial company specializing in gold loans, which is its primary forte. Over time, the company has diversified its offerings to include various financial products such as microfinance, housing loan, vehicle loan, and more. But why look at this NBFC right now? Why revisit it at this point of time? Well, if you talk about the profile, that's completely shifted away from being solely a gold financing company, unlike other NBFCs, which have actually focused on this niche. In FY23, Mannapuram saw a decline in the gold loan portfolio, yet Q2 showcased a modest 8% year-on-year growth. Going forward, the company aims to sustain a growth figure between 8 to 10%. However, the dependency on gold loan is diminishing for the company, currently accounting for 53% of the overall loan book, now nearing to the targeted 50% mark. All right, let's talk about the tailwinds for gold financing business. The first factor working in the favor of the company, which is a steady rise in gold prices, encourages borrowers to seek more loans, leveraging their higher value of the collateral. This trend also strengthens the lending capacity of financial institutions by lowering their loan to value ratio. Higher cost of personal loan is also expected to bring interest on gold loans. Let's address the second one for you, which is non-gold loans also doing the heavy lifting. Well, talk about the AUM growth. It's around that 27% mark year on year in the second quarter, but this growth is driven by non-gold loans, which is roughly around 58% year on year. Now, Asirvad MFI, which has also reached a critical size and IPO, is expected to provide the further upside to the company. Let's address the third factor, which is margins is also expected to get support from the newer business. Now, the company's lending yield in the gold portfolio is upward to a number of 21%. Other businesses, especially microfinance and the rest, are all relatively high yielding. This should impact, or rather just say protect the margin despite funding cost pressure. Well, a little bit of, something that you need to watch out for, a factor that you need to watch out for is the ROA upside remains limited for this one. Post-COVID delinquencies has reduced substantially. Gold loans are secured business and the NPA is technical, but the other businesses are vulnerable to economic downturn. Given the unseasoned new business book vulnerable to NPA, ROA at this point of time seems to be limited for the company. Let's talk about the valuation. Well, the company expects a 29% earnings CAGR between FY23. Well, let's talk about the valuation bit. We expect 29% earnings CAGR between FY23 to 25, thanks to the valuation discount to the peers. The stock offers decent upside as per MC Pro analysis. Given the inherent volatility in the non-gold business, this remains a stock for the risk takers. But with this, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in.